go like this.
Okay.
If you want me to go slower, I don't know what that one is. But if you want me to go faster, you go like this. Really fast is like this. And this means go as fast as you can.
I wish we could do that.
Hello. Sige.
Mommy, go like this. Go like this. Yeah, go like that. That means go
Faster.
Yeah.
You should go on top of the ladder.
You could be riding behind and go like that.
I don't know.
So,
Kid.
Looks like fun though.
Okay.
hold on, Mimi.
They have life insurance, right?
Yeah.
Excuse me again.
What's it? Ranta day.
That's scary to you.
Wala, nana.
He leans you like, he leans you.
You can hear them
them.
screaming.
That's mommy. They're like, Daddy, there was this other jet ski like right in front of us, like ahead of us really far, and so he like zoomed up past them.
So those trees are like there. I have never seen those trees from the time I came here many times, and I've never seen them.
One sticking out in the winter?
No, I've never seen them.
Because the winter one was a lot taller. You didn't see any of these, but you probably saw this one.
Maybe I've
All these have
seen
been covered. See the water.
seen a little bit of that, but
See that black line? That's where the water usually is.
yeah.
But because of the drought, the water 4 or 5 feet low.
Wow.
So normally all those would be covered.
So what about
You don't drive a boat
the
there. It's
boat
very-
doesn't go
Yeah.
under?
The boat hits them and it breaks them. It breaks them. It cuts them. It's kind of good because now you see what the trees So I guess there's a code here, so there's no trees.
You should try that, Daddy. You should try doing
Oh, that's okay.
that.
Take me a week to recover. I'm in a lot better shape now than I was 2 years ago.
Well, Bill got on it, but he did not make it really fast. I think he makes it fast to younger people.
Wasn't that fast? I thought it'd be faster.
Where are your kids?
Yeah, they've been on that
So
too.
where are they?
At home. They
Home
don't
alone?
wanna come. Yeah,
They don't want to come?
they don't want to come. They thought that nobody's gonna be here, just me and. Because originally you all were not coming. So we said no, we can't make it. And then
Yeah, Daddy.
I think
So-
we're gonna go to the lake.
go to Lake Isoma. It's a nice water there.
Barnacles. You got the barnacle problem. The snails and stuff.
Oh yeah, yeah. Wow!
Wait, Mimi's in the back?
Yeah.
You know, if you don't know how to maneuver those, it can flip.
Yeah.
Do you think?
They usually have a key. I don't know if this one does. So if you fall off.
You go stand back.
No, I saw there's like a string connected to his life jacket.
Just go in a circle. They may change this. I don't see a key thing going to it. So
I saw there's like a little squiggly cord connected to his
Justin,
jacket.
this is a spider
Spider
web.
web by face.
Oh.
Asa, usap pa mo?
And there's like, Justin, be careful, there's 1,000 spiders by you.
It's fine. I'll be Spider-Man.
Usap pa mo?
Do we get to go again?
Oh, it's okay, man.
They're young. One more time. Make sure no one else wants to go.